Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Manish and today we'll be learning more about how to fix your memory issue with WordPress. Mostly the WordPress errors aren't that much difficult to fix, but it can be sometimes very frightening for new WordPress users. So WordPress memory limit error is one of the common mistake in WordPress community, and the error can occur in different situations. Likely it may occur while you are trying to install a new theme or plugin, or sometimes it might also occur trying to add a new image in your site. So don't worry about it, it is not a very big problem and we'll be solving this issue right away. Before we get started, I want to let you know about how to check your memory limit and how to get it done. If you are running WordPress version higher than 5.2, you can find this memory information under Tools, under Site Health, and under the Information info bar. Here you can see your PHP memory limit, which is allocated on your server according to your hosting plan, and we'll try to see if we can increase this memory limit or not. So let's get started. This is a dashboard I'm working around right now. So let's go under Tools, look for Site Health. Okay, you can see all the server information at this section. Okay, look for server, scroll down. As you can see the memory limit right now, so we'll be trying to increase this memory limit by modifying the WP config file in our first step. So let's get started. Firstly, you will need to modify your WP config file. Make sure you have a backup ready for that. Make sure you have a backup of this WP config file. I'm not talking about WP-sample. We'll be doing this work on WP config. Let's get started. If you are in cPanel, or you can download this file on your system and you can edit it and re-upload it back through FileZilla. So let's edit this file. Hit edit. Okay, this is a sample file, but as you can see there will be a section for your database and your passwords and username and those kind of stuff. So try to scroll all the way down, and where you can see happy editing or something like that, you can write define bracket WP underscore memory underscore limit and 256M, which I'll be writing that down. And don't worry about it, this code is under the description below, so if you are having problem with that, you can check that out and please watch the video. Okay, once you are done, hit save, and let's go back to our dashboard and we'll be checking if there is change in memory or not. And the next step, I'll be teaching you how to do it through your cPanel. This is a GoDaddy cPanel right now. So scroll all the way down and look for select PHP version. So once you select that, hit select. In the GoDaddy version, what you're gonna get is this option. Select the option from above. So in this section, you can also select the version of PHP you want to use for your WordPress. And there are a lot of options you can select from here, but for this case, we'll be updating the memory. So let's go down. Look for PHP memory. Yeah, and one more thing, like if you are having upload issue, like if you're uploading a big file and the site collapse or crash down, you can come to this section and increase your upload limit and as well as upload time, because big file does take time to upload, and during this process the site may break. So you can change your upload time and upload limitation also from here. So if you have tried these 2 steps that I have just taught you right now and still you are having problem with your WordPress website, maybe it's time you change your hosting plan, because sometimes there is a problem with your hosting and you need to switch to higher plan, which will allocate more higher resources and also increase your limitation over this memory limit. So I'm using GoDaddy right now, and there are some memory plans and resources plan over the GoDaddy. You can check your hosting provider, or you can contact, or you can upgrade the hosting as you like. I hope you get this done, and thank you for watching my video, and I'll be also providing more video in the future. So folks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment if you are still having issue. See you soon. Thank you.